Hola a todos y a todas. Your big move date is getting closer. Today, I want to talk about money. Now, as Auxiliares de Conversacion, our salaries are limited. Here are some quick money tips for you. Tip number one, earn extra income. Most auxiliares do this by teaching clases particulares, or private classes. The easiest way to find these is by talking to your school's coordinator and other auxiliares in your school and in your town. Tip number two, choose the right bank. If you know you're only here for a year, you'll want to choose a bank that is easy to close out once you are ready to head back home. And tip number three, create a budget plan. It's easy to go through money quick because you'll want to travel and explore Spain, Europe, etc. So make a budget plan from the drop to make sure you don't end up in a situation where you can't pay your bills. Y ya está. Are you unsure about how much money to bring over for the move, or do you want more details on how to make extra income or which bank to choose? I go over all of those things and more in my online course for Auxiliares in Spain. So head over to auxinspain.com for more info. The link is below. That's all for now. Hasta la próxima. Ciao.